shows up on Playa, the water tells the truth. Another morning rising, another sky of blue. From far across the Atlantic, Sargassum rides the flow. It reaches our Caribbean, and everybody knows this is not a season, this is not a passing day. The beach is our heartbeat and it is slipping away. We cannot keep chasing it when it lands upon the sand. We cannot keep losing beach to the tracks of heavy hands. The answer is not tomorrow, the answer is not far. It is waiting on the water right where the currents are. Estefania, send the Sarga boat, let it move before the tide. Put the Sarga trailers in the water, keep the collection line alive. Anchor the barriers in formation, curb them where the currents flow. Catch the Sargassum offshore before it reaches Mexico. Estefania, hear the sea, Playa is calling from the sand. The solution is already here, put the right system in command. Yeah. Straight lines breaking open water, loose barriers drift away. And when they move out of position, they can sit like that for days. Sargassum gathers on the surface, then it passes underneath. The boats arrive too slowly and the shoreline cannot breathe. We have seen the old way failing, we have watched the same mistake. Every morning proves the lesson, there is only so much beach to take. Anchor every 25 meters, let the net go 1 meter deep. Give the ocean real direction, give prayer room to breathe. Build the pockets like half moons, let the barriers hold the line. Give the Sarga boat a pathway, give the treeless time. Estefania, send the Sarga boat, let it move before the tide. Put the Sarga trailers in the water, keep the collection line alive. Anchor the barriers in formation, curve them where the currents flow. Catch the Sargassum offshore before it reaches Mexico. Estefania, hear the sea, Playa is calling from the sand. The solution is already here, put the right system in command. One trailer fills and moves away, one connects and carries on. No more waiting on the shoreline, no more losing by the dawn. 2 kilometers of Playa can be protected if we choose. With one boat and 2 trailers, there is no excuse to lose. This was built for real ocean, built by someone who understands. Not a theory on a paper, The truth is plain to see. Playa is not asking for promises. Playa is asking to be free. Send the Sargassum